Grab it, Coco. Grab it. There you go.
You're so good boy. It's a boy or girl?
Boy.
It's a boy. Beautiful boy. You're such a beautiful boy.
It's so hard for him to hold his balance in the train.
Yeah, it's for me too. I didn't miss my train.
No, you didn't miss your stop. No.
You're such a beautiful.
They peel everything. Like, they think everything is a sunflower seed. If they eat a piece of bread, they throw the outside of the bread away. It's like they think everything is a sunflower seed. Coco? Come. Come on.
Eddie. He won't bite me.
He only bites me.
Hello, Coco. How are you? Say hello.
Hello, Coco.
Say hello. Oh my goodness.
Coco, say hi. Say hi, Coco. Hi.
Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
It's hard to keep your balance, right, Coco?
Yeah.
You want to? Oh, there you go.
Would you like one more almond? Would you like? Enjoy it. Enjoy it right here.
New York City Subway. Who would have thunk it?
Thinks his foot is an arm.
Oops. Careful, careful.
Yeah.
Oops, oops. It's hard to hold you and film, Coco. Alright, I'll let you hold him now.
Come. Come. Like a little baby, he loves to eat candy.
Can't.
I can't stick the candy in my mouth because he starts, hello, hello, hello. He wants the candy. What's the matter? What is it? I'm talking about you?
Can I give him candy?
No, he can't eat chocolate. Chocolate's fatal to him. Chocolate, coffee, avocado, all that stuff is fatal to them. One time I was giving him a chocolate kiss and I'm reading a book about birds and I got to it that says, when you can't give them chocolate, and I snatched the chocolate kiss out of his mouth. He kept spitting it out. He didn't want to eat it. And I'm wondering, maybe he knew.
Smart bird, Coco.
They are so smart. So smart.